Welcome to our 5-part series on the Smart Enclosure system. This is part 1, the introduction. In the early 21st century, we find ourselves in a man-made climate crisis and a race against time. With the atmospheric concentration of carbon dioxide spiking to 414 parts per million and rising fast, a level not seen on Earth for at least 15 million years, we not only need to freeze greenhouse gas emissions, but also reduce atmospheric carbon dioxide to a stable and safe level of 350 parts per million. The decisions we make today will determine our success in the coming decades. Our goalposts have shifted, and our buildings need to become a part of the solution right now. Today, it's all about action. Enough talk. Most building industry professionals that we know, the architects, consultants, and builders, they all want to do the right thing. They want to figure it out. They want to contribute to the solution. The problem is, when they go to the blackboard to plan, the clarity is lost, and it is often really confusing, too often resulting in paralysis, or at least hesitation, or lack of confidence in taking action and moving forward with solutions. Professionals are busy with all kinds of demands made on them. No one has time to reinvent the wheel and figure out how to do all the details, how all the components are vetted and combined. So the Smart Enclosure system is 475's attempt at providing a clear starting point that's accessible to architects, developers, and contractors so that you can take action with confidence. We compare it to the time when the Americans with Disabilities Act passed. Architects and builders needed to comply, but they didn't necessarily need to know everything about it. Instead, they needed clear answers to address the problems. How high does the grab bar need to be? What's the push-pull dimensions? They wanted technical guidance so they could concentrate on architectural design and construction. The Smart Enclosure system is such a set of systematic instructions. It's a return to the basics of building science. The system addresses operational and embodied energy, retrofit and new builds. It includes drawings, downloadable DWG details, photographs, specifications, basic principles, guideposts, and most importantly, calls to action. The Smart Enclosure system is a 21st century guide to advanced, high-performance building assemblies. The system is a toolkit that can help you maximize the positive impact of your building projects, providing optimized comfort, safety, energy efficiency, and negative carbon emissions. We want to emphasize that the smart qualities of the Smart Enclosure system are not about tech gadgets that require rebooting, repairs, and worse. Think of the Smart Enclosure system more like a Gothic cathedral, where the smarts passively reside in the architecture. The structure and the fabric of the enclosure should tell the story. The good news is that we don't actually need to reinvent the way we build. Instead, we need to focus on the fundamental principles that then inform how we update typical details, standard specifications, and traditional means and methods. In our continuous paths of professional improvement, it's just a course correction to integrate new habits. So let's not just do less bad, let's actively make a better future for society and all the species of the earth. Of course, what's required are smarter, more intentional choices that improve the environment. We hope this series helps you get over the hurdle of hesitation so you can start to build like the future depends on it. See you in part 2, the Smart Enclosure System Principles and Calls to Action Overview. Thank you.